Hi again folks, how you all doing? The other day I posted on my community tab thing of my channel that I'd got a bargain off eBay, and here it is. And I thought we'd do something different with my eBay purchases from now on, rather than just opening them up and showing them and then doing all the stuff that I normally do to get them running. I'm going to not tell you what's in the parcel, so the title of this video is not going to be the title of the locomotive or whatever. It's just going to be eBay bargain unboxing or something. So what have I got? Let's have a look. Now, this is something I've been after for a long time. I have to say, this doesn't feel particularly well packaged, so I hope it's in one piece. Let's see. Straight into this. Right, okay, we'll cut along here. Will do. So yeah, this is something I've been after for, oh jeez, just about dropped the scalpel on my foot there. Yeah, this is something I've been after for a long time, but I wanted to get one at the right price and not pay silly money, because you know what I'm like, I'm dead mean. So let's bubble that. And we've got 3 boxes. That's going to give you a clue, isn't it? It is, yeah, an HST with 2 coaches. So that'll be the power car, the dummy car, and the 2 coaches. And I got this for the princely sum of £35. To get these, 2 coaches, power and dummy car, boxed for under 50 quid is pretty good going, I thought. So, because I've seen these go for over £50 in this kind of condition, box like this. I mean, I'm saying good condition. The paintwork on that coach looks a bit iffy, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But let's get a look at the power and dummy car first of all. I think these were advertised as being in running order, but I shall be the judge of that. And there we are. I don't know which one's which. We'll get them out. I'm guessing that's the dummy car. It's not very heavy. And this will be the power car. So it's got a wee Ringfield motor in there. So condition looks okay on the power car. The wheels will need a bit of a clean. Traction tyres look okay. All looks fine. Dummy car. Bit of a mark on the window there. There's a crack. I don't know if that's a crack or a mark. I can maybe fix that. That all looks fine. Let's have a look at the coaches. So yeah, a bit of scuffing on the paintwork, but there are lights in the coaches, so it'll be interesting to see if these actually work. I really don't like the idea of these contacts for the lights. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, we'll see how that works, if they work. Okay, so that one looks okay. And the other coach, yeah, a little bit of damage to this one. That's going to need a little bit of TLC to get that. Yeah, a little bit of damage. Oh, it's fallen to bits. Put it there like that. Yeah, that needs a bit of work. But doesn't look too bad otherwise. Everything's intact. So there we are, I've got myself an Intercity 125. I remember these coming out in the 70s. I can't remember which catalogue they first appeared in, but I remember seeing them and just thinking, wow, that looks brilliant. I'd love to get one of those. So I've always wanted one. Yeah. Finally I get my hands on a 125. So just before I finish, just to let you know, I've been really busy with all sorts of things recently, and I haven't spent an awful lot of time with my model railway. I know a lot of people have sent me emails and all sorts of stuff, and I'm way behind with everything. So, you know, we'll get back into it, but it's just that time of year, you know, it's summer and things need done, and, you know, it's model railway and kind of gets pushed to the side a little bit. But as I say, next video we will have a look at this, we'll test it on the track, we'll service the motor, get it running, get all the lights working and everything, sort the windows on the coaches, and get see if I can get a nice Intercity 125 running on the layout. Alright, okay, I'll see you then, catch you later.